In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your wireless mic to Mixer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Shure wireless microphone and how to connect it to an audio mixer. So to start, all that you have to do is connect the receiver to the mixer. So use an XLR cable to connect the receiver's output to an available microphone input channel on your mixer. The specific channel will depend on your mixer's setup. You might have to consult your specific mixer's manual for instructions. Once this is done and you connect the XLR cable from the receiver's output to an available microphone input channel on your mixer, you will be good to go. So now you can adjust the mixer settings, turn on to the channel that you connected the receiver to, and you will be able to set the channel's gain to an appropriate level to avoid distortion. Adjust the channel's equalizer to match the characteristics of your microphone, and you can test the connection. So speak into the mic and check the audio level on the mixer. Adjust the gain and equalizer as needed to achieve the desired sound. If your mixer has multiple microphone inputs, choose a channel that is not already being used by another microphone. And if your mixer has phantom power, make sure that it is turned on for the channel that you connected the receiver to. For best results, use a high-quality XLR cable. And if you experience any sort of interference, try changing the frequency channel on both the transmitter and the receiver. So, in summary, all that you have to do is connect the receiver to the mixer with an appropriate XLR cable. If it is used to connect the receiver's output to an available microphone input channel on your mixer, they are going to be synchronized and you will be able to use the wireless mic without any issues on those devices. You just need to make sure that they are properly set up, and the mixer will pick up the microphone signal. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your wireless mic to Mixer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.